have to download Java JDK and install that on your Mac OS. And the version of Mac OS which I have, Mac OS Big Sur, this one. Okay. So this is the way. Now we are going to see how to download. So here you can see I have downloaded this DMG file, which is already I have done this thing, downloaded. Go to the download section. You can see I have already downloaded that JDK here, and I have already also installed that. Okay. So I'm going to show you what the step which I followed. Okay. So once you downloaded that and install that in your local, then what you have to do, you have to go to this particular library, Java, the Java virtual machine, JDK, the version which you have downloaded and installed, contents and home. This is the path which you have to set into the Java underscore home. So which I have already copied this thing, in this way you can copy that path. And now you have to go to the terminal. You have to go to the terminal and just type that vim editor, vim tilde sign dot bash underscore profile. So now you are on that vim editor, right? So now what you have to do, just hit like the key I. Once you hit the key I, it is insert mode. You can go to that on the top to the cursor. You can use your cursor and just copy paste the path which I told you, right? This path. So once you set the path, which is already I have done that, just once you set the path, okay, try to just don't remove the space if you find any space there, okay, from the top. Just, and then what you do, just escape, press hit key escape, then colon W key, which you can see at the bottom, right? W key. Once you hit that, just hit enter. Once you enter, the path is set, okay. Now what next you have to do, like just cross check whether the Java JDK configure or not, right? Just Java underscore version. So now in that way you can see that Java is configured, JDK is configured on your local Mac. So this way we can configure JDK on your local machine. Thanks for joining.